Welcome to our quick guide on how to allow WhatsApp Web to ask for picture-in-picture (PIP) permission on your PC. This new update brings a fantastic feature that lets you watch videos while chatting, making your WhatsApp Web experience more seamless than ever. Let's dive right into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and head to WhatsApp Web. Once you've logged in, you'll notice the address bar at the top of your screen. Look closely, and you'll see a small icon next to the web address. This icon usually looks like a lock or an I for information. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Site Information. This action will open a small window with various details about the website you're currently on, which in this case is WhatsApp Web. In this new window, you'll see an option that says Site Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed page, where you can manage specific permissions for WhatsApp Web. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Automatic Picture-in-Picture. By default, this might be set to Allow or Block. What we want to do is change this setting to Ask. This means that WhatsApp Web will now request your permission each time it wants to use the picture-in-picture feature. By setting it to Ask, you're giving yourself more control over when and how the PIP feature is used. This is especially useful if you want to decide on a case-by-case basis whether to allow videos to play in PIP mode. And there you have it. You've successfully configured WhatsApp Web to ask for PIP permission on your PC. Now, whenever you encounter a video in your chats that supports this feature, you'll be prompted to decide if you want to view it in picture-in-picture mode. This simple change can greatly enhance your multitasking abilities while using WhatsApp Web. Enjoy watching videos without interrupting your conversations. Happy chatting, and thanks for tuning in.